Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Mercedes Benz GLK made by GTAutos in the 1/18 scale. I have it in the red color. It's quite a heavy model. It's made of metal, as all GTAutos products. GTAutos is a brand from Welly, but the luxury part of brand. As you can see, there are a lot of details. The headlights are very nicely done. Also, we have the grills that are not perforated, as you can see, but they have the effect of those perforated. Very good wheels, as you can see. But the brake disc would have been, they could have made them nicer. Also, we have full steering and suspension. This is the full opening model. We have both the front and the back doors that open. Let's have a look. Also, the mirrors are fixed. In the Range Rover made by GTAutos, they could fold. The interior is very nicely done. I don't like the green interior on this model, but you have a lot of details. Also, the interior is carpeted. In the back we don't have a lot of details, but as you can see, the back windows are tinted. Not very much to see in the back. The safety belts are textile. Don't know if you can see. Okay. The hinges are also very nicely done. They are not dogleg. We have also a sunroof on the roof. In the back we have the Mercedes logo and the 4MATIC and GLK 300 logos. They are photo etched. They are not painted, or they are not painted. Also, we have the boot that opens. Also, in the boot there is carpet. That is a nice touch. And this is I think a bargain at around 60 euros, even 50 euros if you can find it on discount. Okay, let's check out also the engine bay. In the engine bay we have a bit of details. Here you can see the labels are very nicely done, and you can see there are a lot of writing on them. In the engine itself, it's a bit dull, like all the modern cars, because they are covered in plastic. And on the back, underneath the car, a few details. The exhaust, which is nicely done, and that's about it. Also, as I mentioned earlier, full steering and full suspension. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.